Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. What is that question? Well, it all revolves around the fact that past basically day and a half, this has been a very, very nice move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around and saying that, from where it was here to where it closed today, that this wasn't a nice move. I think everybody would agree, nice move on the bull's part. But that does lead to the very valid and logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that is right down here at, what is that? $2.41. Why is $2.41 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.41. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around like it actually already did right there, but does that again, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a base of lows right there. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this case, I'm just defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as 241. Now, what about areas of resistance? As things stand right now, it's looking like it's all about, not quite, I was a little off. I'm going to call it $2.51. If you want to call it 251, that's fine. But looking back here through the chart, you can see a bunch of price congestion right around that area. And then same here, price congestion. So again, if you want to move the red line up and just call it 252, that's fine. I'm just going to call it 251. I mean, we're a penny off, so whatever floats your boat. But that's definitely where the sellers are currently hanging out at. Again, going all the way back to this portion of the chart. Not saying it's impossible to break through or anything like that. I'm just saying that because of this right here, it does make sense why the price, is kind of currently struggling at that area. But anyway you slice it, very nice past day and a half. So, going into next week, it simply is a question of, can the bulls continue to build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.